Tesla working on new crash test lab. It seems everyone's always talking about Tesla's active safety systems, which arguably may not be all that different from those of some rival automakers. However, aside from Tesla's autopilot technology and FSD beta program, the company has always put an emphasis on the passive safety of its EVs. Tesla, along with other EV makers, will argue that electric cars, in general, are just plain safer than gas cars for a number of reasons. However, you've probably heard they catch fire all the time and run over children. The truth is, there are ways to improve a vehicle's passive safety. And an EV allows for some advantages since it has a low and heavy center of gravity. No massive engine in front of the driver, no highly flammable liquid on board, etc. In order for Tesla to continue to claim that it makes the safest cars on the planet, its EVs need to continue getting top scores in crash tests. The positive news surrounding Tesla's crash test ratings, especially those of the newer Model 3 and Model Y, may serve to offset all the negative reports of fires and active safety system concerns. That said, Tesla has now officially revealed that it's building a new crash test lab in Austin, Texas. This comes as no surprise since it has a new factory there, and it also already has such a lab in California. Tesla crash tests its own vehicles, which isn't uncommon. And it also tracks the EV's real-world safety and publishes periodic crash and safety reports, which isn't something we tend to get from most other automakers. In order for the U.S. EV maker to provide such data, not only does it need to track every car in its fleet, but also run its own simulations and tests to ensure that its safety engineering is actually working as intended. Source: reposted and summarized from Stephen Loveday at Inside EVS.